That's not our Santa Claus.
Kids, clear out of here. Get going. Let's go.
Who's this Santa? He's scaring my kid.
Yeah, he's scaring me too.
What do you think you're doing? You can't be here. I said, let's go. Come on, get out of here.
Sarah, what did I say?
Christ almighty, what's the uproar, people?
Get the fuck out. Don't come back.
Come on.
No! Corey? Corey, get back over here!
Back in line, kids. Time for the real Santa.
I wonder what I got. Corey!